George Washington's life, 1789 to 1797. Introduction. George Washington is considered one of the greatest figures in American history, being the first president of the United States and its foremost founder. He played a crucial role in the establishment of the American nation and had a significant impact on American politics and culture. Early life and education. George Washington was born on February 22, 1732, in Westmoreland County, Virginia. His father, Augustine Washington, was a successful farmer who provided a comfortable life for his family. After his father's death in 1743, young George assumed greater responsibilities on the family farm, shaping his character as a leader and independent person. Military beginnings. Washington began his military career at an early age, being appointed an officer in the Virginia militia in 1753. His leadership skills became evident during the French and Indian War, where he led British forces and colonists in numerous battles. Despite some setbacks, Washington earned a strong reputation as a brave and intelligent military leader. Role in the American Revolution. In 1775, Washington was appointed Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army during the American Revolution against Britain. Washington's wise leadership during the war led to several crucial victories, including the Battle of Trenton and the Battle of Yorktown, which ended the war with the colony's victory. Presidency of the United States. After the war, Washington was unanimously elected as the first President of the United States in 1789. He served 2 consecutive terms from 1789 to 1797. During his presidency, he worked on establishing the federal government and laying the foundations of the American political system. Washington also established important presidential traditions, including the creation of a cabinet and setting foreign policies. Post-presidency life. After completing his second term, Washington returned to his plantation at Mount Vernon, Virginia, where he lived quietly until his death on December 14, 1799. He was honored as a founding father of the nation and a symbol of national unity. Legacy and influence. George Washington is considered one of the most prominent leaders in American and global history. His legacy is evident in many national landmarks and institutions named after him, including the capital city, Washington, D.C. His profound impact on democratic values and self-governance continues to shape American identity to this day. Conclusion. George Washington's life was filled with achievements and challenges, leaving an indelible mark on America's history. As president, he led the nation during its difficult early years and laid strong foundations for a sustainable democracy. His legacy as a leader and national icon remains present in the collective memory of Americans and the world.